Thank you. I'm Meredith and my husband and I and all of our children who have vehicles have been coming to Accurate Automotive for probably at least 10 years, if not longer. We've known Lee and Kelly personally, and there is no other place we would bring our cars to. We know when we do that Lee will tell us what we need to hear, maybe not what we want to hear, but one of the things I like is if we have a laundry list of things that need to be done and I say, Lee, can you tell me what's the most important thing? We're tight on money right now or whatever. He really puts down, let's do this today, you can wait on this or you can wait on that. And I really feel that we get an honest opinion, an honest answer for the things that we ask him. Not only that, I'm a real estate agent, and so I love being able to recommend Accurate to any clients that move into the Valley. I just don't even hesitate to recommend Lee and Kelly. I know that they'll be taken care of. I think they treat us like family, and I've learned that not only do they treat us like family, they treat everyone like family. And so if you want someone who's honest and ethical and does great work, then you need to come to Accurate Automotive.